Looking for dependable automotive window tinting in Murfreesboro, Tennessee? You found it at Tint Guy LLC, where quality meets precision. We specialize in professional window tinting that protects, enhances, and elevates your ride. Whether you drive a sleek sports car, a rugged SUV, or a family vehicle, we've got you covered. Beat the heat with high-performance tint that blocks out harmful UV rays. Stay cool and comfortable, even on the hottest Tennessee days. Our tints reduce glare, protect your interior, and give your car a clean, stylish look. But it's not just about looks. It's about safety, privacy, and long-term value. We use top-tier film backed by industry-leading warranties. And we install it with expert care and attention to detail. Tint Guy LLC is locally owned right here in Murfreesboro. We take pride in our craftsmanship and our reputation. Our customers trust us, and they keep coming back. Ready to upgrade your car with dependable window tinting? Call 615-410-3805 to book your appointment today. Or visit tintguylc.com to learn more and get a free quote. Tint Guy LLC, Murfreesboro's trusted name in automotive window tinting. Let's get your vehicle looking its best and feeling even better.